Let's start by looking at the shifts we have. Right now we're in the middle of the morning shift, and let's say we are closer to the afternoon shift and people are switching, and you want to have that reflected immediately. Normally shifts are only edited by the administrator, but with flexible shifts you'll be able to allow the machine operators at the MUR terminal to start and stop shifts. So for this I'm going to need to add more permissions here. Right now we're looking at MUR terminal, and we should have start and stop buttons, but we don't see them because we don't have the permission. So to give that permission, I'm going to go into MUR settings, go to System, Users, Terminal. I click the User Edit button, and here we have all permissions for the user terminal. And here we have the option Edit Shifts using flexible shifts. I check that one and click Save. Now if we go back to the terminal, I might need to log out and back in again. Like that. And now we have the start and stop buttons here. So one more preparation, I will show the shifts here in the list. So here we see the morning shift as seen in the other program. So for example, the scenario now might be that the morning shift is done and the afternoon shift is taking over a bit early. So what we want to do, we want to start the afternoon shift. We click Start Shift, choose the next shift, the afternoon shift will start early. Click that one, and now you see the shifts moved. The morning shift ended and the afternoon started at the present time. So what you can do in MUR terminal is change what's happening right now. You cannot click and move shifts. Even though you have arrows, they are not usable from the MUR terminal. So for the other scenario, let's say at the end of the afternoon shift, and I'm going to zoom in very much now to show that. We say the shift is ending, the factory is shutting down. We click Stop Shift and choose to stop the afternoon shift, like this. Now the shift is changed. You have a few options to, if you stop the shift too early, for example, we're running a little bit more, then we can stop again. And this time we stop the afternoon shift the same afternoon shift, which will then extend to the new time up here. The same way you can also start shift. I click the Start Shift button, and if there was a shift coming up, for example you start early in the morning, then you will have it show up here. But since we don't have any shift starting soon, we can instead choose to start a new shift. So I will start a night shift like this. And at the end of the night shift, you stop it using the stop button like this. So this is available in all MUR systems, but you do need to give the user permission as shown here. The user terminal needs to have this checkbox checked for this feature.